Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe. In this video, we'll answer the question, how do they form? We often think of black holes as being gigantic, millions or even billions of times larger than our Sun. And while they do come in all different sizes, the smallest ones can be just a few miles wide. So how do these massive objects form? Well, it all starts with a star. Stars form from giant clouds of gas and dust that collapse in on themselves due to the force of gravity. As the cloud collapses, the material at its core becomes incredibly dense and hot, eventually reaching millions of degrees Celsius. At this point, nuclear fusion begins and the star is born. But not all stars are created equal. Some are born with a mass thousands of times greater than our Sun. These massive stars burn through their fuel very quickly and have a much shorter lifespan than smaller stars like our Sun. When these giant stars die, they go out with a bang, creating an explosion known as a supernova. During a supernova, the star's core collapses in on itself, crushing the material to an incredibly small space. This forms a sphere of ultra-dense matter called a singularity. The singularity has a radius known as the Schwarzschild radius. Not even light can escape the pull of gravity from a singularity. Once it crosses the event horizon, anything that enters is lost forever. Not even light can escape. The exact mechanism by which a star forms a black hole is complex and not fully understood. But we know that when a massive star goes supernova, it releases an immense amount of energy. This energy creates a shockwave that blasts out into space. If the star had enough mass, the shockwave will be powerful enough to continue collapsing the star's core. Eventually, the core reaches the Schwarzschild radius and a black hole is born. So there you have it. Black holes come in a variety of sizes, but they all start out as giant stars that collapse in on themselves. While they may seem scary, they're actually a fascinating and important part of our universe. I hope you enjoyed learning about black holes. If you want to learn more about the universe, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.